GAF has many manufacturing facilities all over the U.S. Today we are visiting one in New Columbia, PA, where they make commercial roofing products.
I'm the general manager, so I oversee all of operations of the entire facility.
I'm currently at co-op. It's essentially a long-term internship.
So I am the GBS specialist, kind of a continuous improvement specialist.
My name's Kevin Martz. I'm the production supervisor here for New Columbia.
I'm a process engineer.
I am the ISO raw materials unloader. So I work in the rail yard right over here.
Out on the floor every day, trying to help anybody that has an issue. I'm trying to troubleshoot bigger problems.
Just kind of reviewing from the shift prior and the day prior, talking with those operators and employees and seeing what issues they had, if there's anything that's a priority, making sure that we can still run the line, and then working with our maintenance crews to troubleshoot anything we need to fix throughout the day.
I always really liked, my dad, he's a mechanic, so I would always work on him with stuff, and I'm like, why can't we do it like this and this and this? Always trying to make improvements. And it just led me to engineering, and everybody's always like, oh, you're gonna be an engineer. And I'm like, oh, I think you're right. And I started going to engineering classes, and I'm like, yes, this is for me.
I ended up being an engineer after I was more of in a trades. I actually started off as a maintenance and electrician or welder. I was not sure what I wanted to do, so I ended up going from there and then going to school for engineering. But there's multiple different ways you can go to be in a role similar to this.
One of the great things about manufacturing is that all of the skills that you need to learn for the job is taught on the job. So you can really go in with having no experience, and everybody who is there will teach you the elements of the job.
We're a big family here. Everybody gets along great.
People that I work with.
My favorite part is just working with the team.